Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are searching to learn about the multistage amplifiers, then this video is definitely for you. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the multistage amplifiers in a simple and clear way. Before directly jumping into the multistage amplifiers, first we will understand what is an amplifier, why do we need an amplifier, what are the disadvantages of the single stage amplifier. So after understanding these basics, we will move step by step into the multi-stage amplifiers, their working and advantages, and without any delay, let's get into the video. Let us start with the introduction to an amplifier. An amplifier is an electronic circuit designed to increase the strength of an electronic signal. The main function of an amplifier is to increase the amplitude of the signal. So when you observe, when the weak input signal is applied to the amplifier, it produces the strong output signal. This amplifier can increase the different quantities like the voltage, current or power, etc. And the process of increasing the signal strength is called amplification. An important point to remember about the amplifier is it requires an external power supply. It uses this external power supply source to increase the strength of the input signal. So an amplifier does not create energy by itself. It uses one external power supply to boost the input signals. Now let us see some important applications of amplifiers. Amplifiers are widely used in the various electronic systems and domains. Some of the major applications include, and these amplifiers are used in the communication systems, audio devices, data transmission systems, medical equipment, scientific devices, and automation systems. So these are some of the important areas where amplifiers plays a major role. Now we will see the classifications of the amplifiers. These amplifiers are classified into different types based upon the different parameters. Now we will see step by step. So the first parameter is based upon the number of stages. So there are two types, single stage amplifiers and multi-stage amplifiers. Single stage amplifiers are nothing but, and this amplifier has only one transistor circuit, which is a single stage amplification. And coming to second thing is the multi-stage amplifiers. So multi-stage amplifiers, these multi-stage amplifiers using the multiple transistor circuits which provide the multiple stage amplification. Second parameter is based upon its output. There are two types, voltage amplifiers and power amplifiers. Voltage amplifiers is nothing but which amplifier circuit increase the voltage level of the input signal, that amplifiers considered as the voltage amplifiers. And second is the power amplifiers. Power amplifiers means the amplifiers which is used to increase the power level of the input signal, that is called the power amplifiers. Next classification is based upon the input signal. So based upon the input signal, it is having the two types, that is small signal amplifiers and the large signal amplifiers. And the fourth parameter is based upon the frequency range. So based upon the frequency range, it is also having the two types, that is audio amplifiers and the power amplifiers. So the amplifier which having the 20 Hz to 20 kHz of frequency ranges, that amplifiers can consider as the audio amplifier. The range which having the more than audio frequency range, that amplifiers can be considered as the power amplifiers. Next classification is based upon the biasing conditions. They are classified as Class A amplifier, Class B amplifier, Class C amplifier, and the Class AB amplifiers. Next parameter is based upon the coupling method. They are classified as RC coupled amplifier, transformer coupled amplifier, and direct coupled amplifier. The last classification is based upon the transistor configuration. It is classified into three types, that is CE amplifier, CB amplifier, and the CC amplifier. So this is all about the classifications of the transistors of the amplifiers. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the single stage amplifiers and what is the reason now we are using the multi-stage amplifiers. So in practical, whatever the output is getting from the single stage amplifier is insufficient. So insufficient in the voltage or power amplifiers. So to replace this, we are designing the multistage transistor amplifiers. So in multistage amplifiers, we are getting the desired output. So but what are the upgrades are done in these multistage amplifiers? How we are achieving the desired output in the multistage amplifiers? Now we will see. So the answer is, in the multistage amplifiers, the output of the first stage is coupled to the input of the next stage by using the coupling devices. So by coupling devices, we are achieving the desired gain. So these coupling devices are usually a capacitor or resistor or a transformer inductor. These are the some components which is used to couple the first stage of the circuit to the second stage of the circuit. And the process of joining two amplifier stages using a coupling device is called the cascading. So here you can see how the first stage of amplifier is connected to the second stage of the amplifier by using the coupling device, and here is the overall gain, and the gain of the multistage amplifier is the product of individual gains. Here we see the types of coupling methods. So as we discussed, there are the different types of coupling. In this RC coupling, the resistor and the capacitor are used as the coupling devices. Means here the capacitor will act as a coupling device and resistor will be the load. By using these capacitor, the first stage of the amplifier is connected to the next stage of the amplifier. So this is how cascading is done by the RC coupling. So second is the inductance coupling. So inductance coupling is nothing but by using the coil we can going to couple the devices. Means first stage of the amplifier is connected to the second stage by using the coil, that is called the impedance coupling. The third type of the coupling method is the transformer coupling. So transformer coupling is nothing but the first stage of the amplifier is connected to the second stage of the amplifier. Means the first stage output is connected to the input of the next stage by using the transformer. The type of coupling is called the transformer coupling. Direct coupling, it is nothing but, so in name itself is the direct coupling, means here we are not using any components to couple the first stage of the amplifier to the second stage of the input. This type of coupling is called direct coupling. So in next coming videos, I will explain in detail about these coupling methods. So that's it for today's video. I hope you gained valuable knowledge from this video. If you found this content helpful, please support my channel by subscribing, and also don't forget to like, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.